Hey everybody, it's Aaron here with Lange Real Estate, and I'm so excited to show you our new listing out in Goddard, Kansas at 2015 North Clearstone Court. We've got a 5-bed, 3-bath with a beautiful garage, almost a half acre, and it's Eisenhower Schools. This home is ready for you. Let's go inside and take a look. As you walk inside this home, you're going to find a beautiful open floor plan. You're going to love the high quality finishes that you'll find all throughout the house. Quartz in the kitchen, granites in the bathrooms. And then you'll love the high quality appliances that are found in the kitchen. For big families with lots of laundry, this house has you covered. You'll find one laundry room upstairs on the main level and one down below in the basement. As you walk into the basement, you're going to find a perfect spot for entertaining. You have a kitchenette that's a full service, and then it's easy to walk out to the patio for entertaining and putting things on the grill. And as for the oversized 3-car garage, you'll notice the large bonus space in the back. This is a perfect spot for parking your lawn equipment or small tractor. One of the special highlights about this house is the westward-facing covered patio. This is a beautiful spot to sit and watch the Kansas sunset.